How to fix Telegram freezing problem on your mobile device. So if Telegram is freezing or lagging on your phone, here's how to fix it. First, you will need to open up the settings application by clicking on settings. And then from the search bar, you want to search for apps, which is like this. And then just open up the apps application. And then in here, you want to search for Telegram by typing Telegram in the search bar. And then click on the Telegram application. Now scroll all the way down and you should find an option or a button at the bottom left which says force stop. Click on it and then click on OK to force stop the application. Now on the right side you want to click on clear data and then click on clear cache and then hit OK. Now when you clear the cache you can basically close this setting app and then you want to open up the Telegram application again. And that should fix the lagging issues and the freezing in the application. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you in the next one.